The pandemic has shifted the paradigm between the markets, economy, state, and society. Corporates are desirous to kickstart their economic activities post pandemic, which has brought an unusual challenge for the world, impacting all the aspects of social, economic, political, and civic life. It has transformed the way businesses are conducted. New business models are emerging, and a corporate shift that was expected years later has found its foothold in the current times. Business leaders have embraced digital innovations into their business operations. This has now raised the demand of the new skill set and reskilling of the existing employees. A pre-pandemic report released by FICCI, NASSCOM and EY on the future of jobs in India, a 2022 perspective, stated that by 2022, 9% Indians will be in the jobs that do not exist today, and 37% of Indian workforce would be employed in jobs with radically changed skill sets. These demands are further increased in recent times. Competitive business environment has paved the way for increased demand of management and commerce graduates. This postured a task of developing competency level of students to meet the new expectations. Management education specifically needs to combine hard competencies and cutting-edge knowledge. This needs to blend power skills such as creativity, critical thinking, emotional intelligence, and entrepreneurial mindset, and most importantly, the ability to solve complex problems. The demand of top-end IT skills, analytical power, responsiveness to real-life situations, problem-facing attitude, opportunity identifying and utilizing capabilities, ability to locate, obtain and organize information has gained more momentum in national and international markets.
Looking at the growing corporate needs, we at IIMR have been committed to provide employability enhancing academic excellence and impart industry required skills for more than a decade now. At IIMR, an array of courses in graduation and post-graduation are offered like BBA, BBA FT, BCom Honours, BSc in Maths and Statistics and MBA. IIMR has been catering to the upscaling industry needs through focused academic approach and building personalities right from day one, the day student steps into the course. It is imperative now that technology will be the cornerstone for almost all innovations, and innovation in skill development focused on online models will be an integral part to the new emerging realities. The changing employment landscape and new emerging sectors like logistics, food delivery, fintech, BPOs, etc. will be creating more jobs now. They require the workforce that can deal with the structural issues of the economy.
Hello everyone, I am Yamini Falak pursuing MBA from Indore Institute of Management and Research. I have completed my graduation also from IIMR. The reason for choosing IIMR again for my post-graduation is the environment it provides. Institute to me is more like an extended family now. We are constantly in touch with the faculties, principal and Honorable DG Sir through various WhatsApp groups and one-to-one interaction. Apart from strong academics provided by well-qualified and experienced faculties, the curriculum is augmented with SIGs, which provide industry-required employable skills like Excel for managers, digital marketing, design thinking, recruitment and compensation, and stock trading. Institute has a regular feature to organize industrial visits, outbound trainings, HR conclave, annual fest, Dazel, and a week-long sports fest. But due to this pandemic, all the activities have taken a backseat as the campus is closed and the lead is taken by online classes. We have flipped classrooms where lecture content and other resources are shared beforehand and later on discussed in online session. It makes online classes more interactive and engaging. We have regular classes for developing soft skills, aptitude and language ability. Placement activities improved religiously in the past couple of years and that is one of the major reasons to choose IMR again for my MBA. It has created overall impact on my personality and nurtured me holistically. So, if you are looking for an institution to enhance your knowledge and to be competent in today's challenging world, then IMR is the right place. Thank you.
These novel initiatives of academics mixed with SIGs and continuous rigorous training enhanced and sharpened the skill sets of IIMR students, making them grab placements and even establish their startups in recognized fields. IIMR is coveted to provide top companies in fields of marketing, finance, HR, business analytics, and production and operations. Our students have grabbed the highest placement package of Rs 12.4 lakhs per annum. The renowned companies to have placed IIMRians are Lido Learning, Extra Marks, Byju's, Hike Education, Integrated Resources, and many more. We at IIMR are set to provide the skill sets that are required to meet new business challenges through its quality education and skill enhancement programs. Join Indore Institute of Management and Research for a bright and promising career.